Here with the middle bracket. I'm going to confirm over there on my other side of the truck that I didn't miss, because on the other side, see those two holes there? Those two holes were not there on the other side. I'm pretty sure. If they are, I'm going to deinstall the other side and put that middle bracket in, just because I like support, especially being a bigger guy. So I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and fish this on through and do the middle, because the way I see it is you can never have enough support. Let's see if we can find out where the hell it is. Where's it at? There it is. Am I in the way too much? No, looks good. All right, so I did the same thing. Fish that through. Put this short little tab on. Oop, almost lost it again. Fuck. That was right in the crack of the floor. How could that? How about I couldn't do that again? I honestly just lost that in the damn crack of the floor. There we go. Alright, so I have a good sense of humor, so if anybody wants to make fun of me out there, I don't care. So, brackets right here. That's what I want to do. Alright. That in there. Notice how I fished it from this hole over to this back hole, because if you put it in here, you're going to miss these two holes here, and you got two holes in this beast. So, also just lost my little fishing guy there, so we got to be careful so I don't lose this bolt. I think I like that. I'm a bigger guy. I need support. I need support in many ways in my life. Definitely gonna get support here. So, directions, like I said, really sucked. I am very happy that I have the opportunity here to set this in. Nobody's ever going to notice it, and if they do, I don't give a shit. I'll say I needed the support. Plus, you got to think about it, this side's used the most. If the holes are there, why wouldn't you install it? Now watch me install this and end up figuring out a reason why it says you can't. I'd say, damn it, Dodge, for not putting the holes on the other side. I don't understand that. Why? If anybody's out there and knows vehicles really well, explain that to me. Why would you have the two bolt holes over here, but not over there on that side? I confirmed it, it's not there. So, alright. I'm gonna like having this support. Alright, like I said, I just snugged it. Looks good to me. Put it level with my fingers here. And it'll also level out when you start putting your step on there too. So let's get out of here and let's show you the step on here. I wish these damn phones would just let me flip it around.